Let's talk about the textbook. First off, it is old. It's from 2014, which is about 1,000 years in computer time, but that's okay. The same basic principles for Photoshop CC apply now as applied then. You can read more about why we've chosen this textbook in Canvas. Meanwhile, here's the best way to use it. First off, within each chapter, there are these conceptual lessons that describe the ideas that are being covered in the chapter. And there's a section about what you will do. Inside each chapter are a set of step-by-step hands-on instructions. The pages look like this. You should do those exercises. Files will be provided. You'll need to do those exercises to fully understand the chapter. At the end of each chapter are a set of projects. In particular, the ones that we'll be looking at are called Skills Review, and those will be assigned as homework assignments for each chapter. Let's take a look at Chapter 1. This is one of the content pages from Chapter 1. Talk about the tools you'll use, more concepts, and finally you get to the first set of steps. So you should read the chapter and do those steps. I want to point out that there are notes about these hands-on steps that are provided in Canvas. There are some steps which you can skip, some steps which have been updated, some steps which need more information. You can find all about that in the hands-on notes. At the end of each chapter is a skills reference to remind you the skills that you learned, and then an exercise, a skills review exercise. That will be the homework assignment. Again, read more about those skills review exercises in Canvas. There are notes on those as well under homework in Canvas.